Hello, welcome to my video. I'm BDazzldNails, aka Brandis, and we are going to look at my #1 Dippowder nail tip, trick, hack, whatever you want to call it. This has made every single mani of mine so much easier and made me fall in love with chunky glitters. I will choose a chunky over a fine glitter 90% of the time because of this hack. So sit back, enjoy. With most glitters, I will do a first layer of pour over. This gives me an acrylic base. It will catch most of the fine glitters. Then I will go in with a second layer, very generous of base. I will flat lay my nail into my Flexi dip boat. If I want to arrange the glitters, I might give it a shake, a little bit of a stir, and this helps a lot. I'm just using a glitter toothpick to clean my cuticle. I'm then pressing down my glitters with my glove. You can do this with a plastic bag, a finger caught, a silicone tool, anything. I noticed that I had a couple of blank spots in my glitter, so what I did was I dabbed some base just on those spots, and then I went and flat laid my finger into the dip boat again to make sure that I got that covered. You can also individually pick up glitters and place them, but I just wanted it to be random and I didn't want to have to pick and choose. If you missed the pop-up, this is Liquid Layers Flexi dip boats. I use them for all my glitters, my clears, anything I need them. They're great for swatching. The pour back into the container is amazing. You'll see that at the end of the video. The cleanup is super easy. All around, fabulous product. For my first layer of clear, I apply a very generous layer of base. I poke my brush in between the glitters and the flakes. Then I flat lay into my clear. This will push the clear in between those glitters. Then for my second layer, after cleanup, I will go in and I will do a concentrated layer of base at the center of my nail, building that apex, keeping that nice dome shape, and then I will do pour over. I'm really just trying to make sure when I file, I don't file through. So that's what the second layer of base is for. So I don't need it to be very thick, or not base, clear. I don't need it to be very thick. I just need it to protect the glitters underneath and give me back that shape. I tap off my excess clear. I press down with my finger to push that clear further in between the glitters, ensuring an even smooth layer. And here's the big reveal. I use cling wrap, Saran wrap, plastic wrap, whatever you want to call it. I like it better than plastic bags, but plastic bags, Ziplocs work as well. And we get a lot of those in our orders. But I like that I can maneuver the clear through the Saran wrap while it's activated. I can smooth it, I can pinch it, I can taper the nail again, I can smooth out the cuticle, all through the Saran wrap while the activator is hardening the clear dip. That's my trick. And half the time, I don't have to file. All I need to do is a little bit of buffing just to make sure I have that really clean glass-like surface, and then I'm done. So I did my best to leave the buffing and filing real time here. I show you the 2 files and buffers I use. Well, 3 technically. That's it. It's so easy, but it has so much impact on your mani and on just making everything so much easier. After activating and smoothing the clear, I go in and I activate again. I let that settle, and then I go in and I begin my buffing. I go through 2 buffers of different grits, to ensure that I get that really smooth finish for if you're doing dip top coat or gel top coat. dusting off the clear powder from my filing, then going in and activating one more time. How gorgeous is this glitter? This is Amphitrite by Candy Dips, and it is gorgeous. It's got multi-tonal glitters, it's got silver flakes. It's stunning. The depth is unreal. Then I wipe off the excess activator and I go in with my gel top coat. And the glitter reveal, you have to see this. It's gorgeous to stunning. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a fantastic day.